If you're planning to go to Grotto Island, you need to book the parking much in advance to avoid any last minute surprise, because if there is no parking available, you will not be able to enter with your vehicle. So to do that, once you type Bruce Peninsula Grotto Parking, you see this Parks Canada. This is the website where you'll have to come to do the booking. This is the only official website. Once you click here, you come to this page and you can see here Grotto, Cypress Lake or Halfway Log Dump. All three places booking happens through this page, and you can come down, then click on reservation service. You also have an option of doing this by phone. Phone is slightly more than what you would pay online. And online is easy because every information will be with you right on your phone. Also to note is that once you have done the reservation, changes are not possible for the time slot, date and reservation holder. You will see the reason why, because the booking happens against the identity proof what you will be giving, and it is also linked to the address. So if you have to do anything, you will have to cancel and make a new reservation. That is the only possible way to do this. You cannot resell this reservation. As I said, the parking is linked to your email ID, address, phone number and your own identity, which you will be providing when you enter the park. Once you click on the reservation service, on this page you see parking Bruce Peninsula. This is by default, and then the arrival date you choose from here. I've selected this, and you enter the party size. Whatever the party size is, you make an entry, click search. Then you will see this map, and here Bruce Peninsula is here. If you have to do booking for Cypress Lake or Pack Country reservation, these are two separate places. So once you click on Bruce Peninsula, here Grotto parking. So you can see the legend here. It shows available. Once you click here, regular is for the regular car, oversized is for bigger vehicle like bus, and then parking accessible, as the name suggests, with people with accessibility needs. So once you make a selection, you come and choose the time slot. So in my case, it already shows as a selection, and once you make a selection, this shows the time, and as I said, it is held in cart, 4-hour time slot. This is for a regular parking space, a single vehicle measuring 6 meter, and proceed to cart. So you come to this page, and here you will see the reservation detail, time slot and the party size, which you can go and edit if you want. Then at the time of check-in, the permit holder must be present and able to provide reservation confirmation, which is once you book, you will get the printout, photo ID matching the name on the reservation, license plate of the vehicle for time slot reservation. So in case you're going in a rental vehicle and you don't have the license plate, don't worry, you'll still be able to do. But these two are mandatory, and you must check in within the first 2 hours of reservation time slot. Failure to do will result in denied entry. And then you can also cancel this until midnight, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, the day before, that is the day before your parking check-in. And then there is a cancellation fee which will be applied. Now, you have to arrive no earlier than 15 minutes prior to the reservation time, and each reservation is valid for one vehicle only. So if you're going in multiple vehicle, each vehicle will have to have separate reservation, and you will see separate login credential through which you will have to do this. Depart no later than the end of the time slot. Remaining thing you can read, and once you come down, you acknowledge, confirm reservation detail, you come to the shopping cart, and here you are shown the total amount. So whatever you see is the amount you will have to pay, and this could change whenever you are watching the video. So right now, this is what the total amount is. Once you have gone and checked everything, in case you want to edit, you have this option. You want to remove the reservation, here is where you can do this. And if you are all okay, just come down and proceed to checkout. On this page, you will have to sign in. So there are 3 options. Either you can sign in through your Facebook account. If you are not in Canada and you're traveling to Canada, then in that case, you have these 2 options. If you're in Canada, you might have used GC key at some point or the other, and it's easier to just use either GC key or Interact, and this way you will have everything at one place. Whatever the choice you make, I'll show you for the GC key. Once you click on continue, You come to this page and here you have option to log in with your bank or GC key. I'm going with GC key. Enter username, password, and then you sign in after going through the credential. I made a video on creating GC key in case you're interested and you have to sign up. You can watch that video. So once your username, password is entered and you have signed in, you will come to this page, and here once you come to the right top hand corner, you will see this one item in cart. So just click here and you will be able to see your reservation detail, what you had selected. Come down. Again, you have to acknowledge, confirm reservation detail, come to the shopping cart and proceed to check out. On this page, you will review the policy, select all the options, confirm acknowledgement. Then you will be shown your account detail, which will have your name, email address, phone number, which will be the primary phone number. If you need to update this account detail, just click here and update. And if everything is good, click confirm account detail. Then on the enter occupant detail, here you will be selecting I will be the occupant or someone else will be the occupant. And once you do that confirmation, here on this page, you will confirm your party information, the head count what you have mentioned. If it is 2 adult and 1 child and 1 youth, you make that selection and then go ahead with confirmation of party information. Then you go ahead and enter the payment information. And once this is done and you click apply payment, you will go to the submission page where everything will be shown to you. And once you submit, your transaction goes through and you will get notification on your parking booking, which you can download or keep it on your mobile as it is on your email and produce it when you go to the venue. And that's it, guys.